Hello friend, this is it. Hot water, steam, and the group off, on, and off. So as you can see, both works. Everything works. It heats up, nice, hot, beautiful presentation. The drip tray I was telling you that is was missing, here it is. So we have it all together. This little baby is going to work for another 20 years for you, providing you just do the basic, which it is, the basic it is to backwash the groups. That's all you need to do. That's it. Now I'm going to show you what else I have in terms of the grinder. And this is it. I think this grinder is all you need, my friend. Here it is. I'll send you a link on eBay to show you this grinder, brand new, what it cost. So let me know if you want it, because if you do, then I'm gonna sell it to you for $17.50 the machine. If you don't, I'm gonna sell it for $2,500 to somebody else. Grazie, ciao, arrivederci.